So today I'm going to talk about potato paradox. Now initially I did not understand why it's called a paradox. So it's called veridical paradox. A veridical paradox is when it appears to be counterintuitive, but the result is true, right? So let's just look into it. So we have potatoes. We have 100 kg of potatoes, right? And among them, 99% is water and 1% is solid. So out of 100 kg, 99% water is 99 kg and 1% solid is 1 kg. Here, what happens when we evaporate to 98%, right? So we had 100 kg and 99% of water, but we have evaporated the water from 99 to 98%. Now the total weight became 50 kg. It started from 100. How did we halve the total value? Just by decreasing 1%. How did 1% reduction in water becomes 49 kg? That is what the paradox is right here, which means water. So water evaporate is 50 kg because total weight becomes 50 kg. How did we reach this 50 kg, right? So let's just start with normal water. So if there are only water, every time it is decreased by 1%, the total mass is decreased by 1 kg, which is very intuitive. But here in this case, which is decrease the water by 1%, but the total weight becomes 49 kg. Total weight becomes 50 kg. Sorry. How did this happen? So here percentage is representing the total mass. So whenever we are decreasing water by 1%, the solid is increasing. The percentage of solid is increasing. The 2% of solid is 1 kg. We started with 1 kg and it's still 1 kg. But 1 kg is accounting for 2% instead of 1%. The solid never changed. Every time we're decreasing water, solid percentage of solid in the total amount of potatoes is increasing, right? But the mass is same, so it's still 1 kg. So if you calculate the total mass, 100% of total mass, which is 2% is 1 kg and total mass is 50 kg. So here we did the calculation for 1%, 2%, 4%, 10% to get a better idea. So every time we are in decreasing, right, from 99 to 98, the percentage is increasing. So it's still 1 kg, but the percentage increased. So we went to 96% water. This 1 kg becomes 4% now. We went to 90% water. This 1 kg becomes 10% now. The total mass becomes 10 kg. So every time we're decreasing the water percentage by very little, the same 1 kg is accounting for more mass, right? Which is decreasing significantly the total mass. Every time it is getting halved, right? This is happening because every time we're reducing 1% water, the same solid is increasing by 1%, right? Every time we're decreasing water, the total mass remains the same, but the percentage increased, which makes the total mass lesser every time. That's why it is a paradox instead of being like the normal intuitive way of thinking. Thank you.